Welcome back to school. I'm Mrs. Baldwin. I'm located in room 43. It's about halfway down the hall on the left on the bottom floor in the high school building. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I've been teaching for 37 years and I've taught all grades and all subjects from kindergarten through college. My favorite things in life are my grandkids, reading, and working. I'm a workaholic. My favorite things to teach would be high school students, and this year I'm teaching Economics 12, Government 12, AP US Government Politics, AP Comparative Government, English 9, and Honors Literature. What I want your child to know when he or she leaves my classroom: lifelong learning is a magical and treasured experience. Classroom expectations: respect, huge letters there. Respect self, others, and surroundings. And to get respect, give respect. Homework. Students will be responsible for completing essays, questions, reviews. I really encourage them to use that seminar time, and I'd ask you to do the same. I'm here to help if they need me. In addition to this, English and honors students are expected to read 30 minutes a night. I still stick with that DODEA. 25 books per year should be read, and that does include the books that we read in class, not the short stories, but the books. Also, for the AP classes, the AP students are supposed to complete as much at night as they do during the day. So if they have an 85-minute block during the day, they're supposed to be completing an 85-minute block of homework at night. Communication: my emails are there in text or call. These are also located in the video I'm sending you. For extra help, if your child needs help, they can get help during a seminar, and get help from other students during that seminar time. You as a parent, you can email me or call me here at the school. Homework club's going to start soon. That's usually from 3 to 4:30 or 5 in the afternoon, and that is through Miss Clausen each year. Tutors, you can see Miss Lee or Miss O'Brien for tutors. School supplies this year: pens, pencils, coarse loose leaf paper, DOL spiral notebook for English, honors, and economics classes. And they're going to need a 2 to 3 inch binder with 5 dividers for the AP government classes, highlighters, and of course if we go online you're going to need that laptop. It is so nice to virtually meet you. My virtual door is always open. I do go to sporting events and other school events, and I hope to see you there. Please come by and say hi to me.